So, yan. Magjo-join tayo sa ating friend Jacob. Katulad ng una nating live. Nakita nyo naman siya, diba? Nakita nyo naman siya sa right. Don't mind the background. Alright. So, today, tayo maglalaro ng panibagong Grow a Garden. Yan. So, kasama natin dito. Wow. So, ngayon, kasama natin dito ang ating ngayon, dito muna ang ating yun. Gusto mo pera? Sige ba? So, kasama natin wait lang. Say hi to stream. Say has to streaming. Yeah. So, kasama natin to friend Jacob natin. Titignan natin kung mas mataas ba siya sa atin. Oh, mas mataas ako. 9 billion. Ay, oo nga pala. Update. 9 billion na pera natin at marami na tayong naging what? Wait, what? Okay. Okay. Hi. Ayun, sinabi niya, hi. Okay. Ituturo ko lang kayo sa panibago nating garden, which is this. Yeah. May beanstalk na tayo. May pepper na tayo. May blood banana, rose, dragon fruit, and we have peach, and foxglove, open master sprinkler. Okay. Ayaw ko sayang ng money. Yeah, ayaw ko magsayang ng money. And meron tayong what's this? Nectarine nga pala, Tapos ito, meron tayong liyak. What? Bilhin mo. Sige. Wait. So, ito ay pink lily. And this is cacao and this is cactus. May mango na rin tayo. Yan. Tapos mga design, diba? Ate, dito. Sige, shop. Yeah. Wait. Sakit. Alright. Master sprinkler is open right now. Oh, yun, master. It's still million. Wow. Look. Titignan natin ang quest. This. Harvest 3 dragon fruit. Harvest 500. Harvest. Okay. Wait. Okay. Harvest 3. Harvest 3. Alright. Complete. I will exchange that for with 44 billion. Wait. Oh. Wait. Alright. Dito sa 50. Oh. Show me. Yan. Ito nga pala. May raspberry na rin tayo. And collect na tayo ng 100 blueberries. Mhm.
Raspberry ka?
Yeah.
Paano mo nakuha?
Yeah.
Saan mo nakuha?
Yeah.
Saan mo nakuha?
Normal seed.
Normal seed. Nakukuha ko lagi pineapple.
Saan ka? Garden ko. Alright. Alright. What? What? That's so big. That's so big. Wow.
Nilabas ako.
Wag mo na to. Sige. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Wait lang. May seed. Masid. Baka beanstalk. Ibibigay ko to pero tignan mo lang kung magkano. Sige. BTY may stock na beanstalk. May stock na beanstalk, yeah. May stock na beanstalk. Lumabas na tong Yuki. May sinabi ko. By the way, may stock na beanstalk. Biglang nag-teleport tong Yuki. Gusto mo?
Bakit ba?
Gusto mo sa'yo na lang. Bibigay ko sa kanya.
Tulungan mo ako. May bago akong account eh.
Give it back. Oh! Nabigay! No! Nabigay mo? Disco! Oh. Alright. Accept lang natin. Akin na! Titignan ko lang naman magkano. Just look how much is this, okay, Lance? Okay. Trust me. I'm your very best friend. I'm watching your live. Yeah. Bigay mo na lang. Yeah. Habang naglalaro siya, nanonood siya ng live natin. It's a W main. Yun. What? I trust you. Yeah. You should. Yeah. You should. Yeah. Alright. Oh, yeah. Pretty little. Oh. Baby. Mm. Oh, no. How much it is? It's 44 billion.
Huh?
It's 44 billion. Do I sell it?
44
Do I
million? Patingin.
sell it?
Patingin.
Do I sell it?
Patingin. Patingin ako.
Celestial.
Sa kanin lang. Yun lang, sa kanin lang.
No.
Dali na, sa kanin lang.
Look, no.
Sa kanin lang.
Give it back.
Ano sabi niya?
Why?
Noob ka. I-heart mo. I-heart mo. Babalik mo pa? Babalik mo pa?
I will give you some later, ate. Huh?
Wag ko maniwala.
Pansin?
Wag
Hindi,
ko.
joke lang. Oh,
Wag.
hindi, kanya naman yun eh.
Giya mo. Ulit, ikaw eh. Ulit. Tawag mo naman.
Bibigyan ko na lang ikaw pag ano meron ako.
Wag na.
Di ka mabiro. Yan mo, bibigyan kita. Chill. Pag binigyan ako, bigyan kita.
Ay, sure ka.
Di ko di ka mabiro. Di ka mabiro. Arman Jacob Velasco. Alright. Ilan na kaya? Ilan na lang bakulang natin
Asan na?
ng
Ando ba siya?
blueberry?
Ano ba siya?
Siyempre. Kasama ko siya sa live eh.
Alam niya?
Wala man. Shout out sa... Oh. Wow. I will give this to you. Wow.
Binigay
What
niya?
I do. What I do.
Binigay niya?
No good at all. Wow. Thanks.
Asan na? Binigay niya?
Thanks, Nig.
Saan binigay niya?
Ah?
Asan na?
May 30 tayo. Okay. Tignan natin. Kung meron bang
Asan na yun?
honey. 1, 3. Wala.
Biig.
Lavender. Maganda ba to?
Hindi.
Nectarine.
Nectar seed?
Oh. Nectarine ng putik. My sister and cousin is Sierra. What?
Can you give
What?
me some? Wag big ka. Spingy ako wagi.
Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Kidding? What? Are you kidding?
Ba't mo pa kasi binigay yung 40 million eh?
My grandma, she getting bad.
Are getting bad?
Oy,
Asan yung binigay sa'yo?
kung nanonood ka na ito live ko, magtagalog ka. Huwag ka mag-English. Oh my God. Nosebleed ako sa'yo. 89. 89. Ilan na lang kulang nun?
89?
Yeah.
19.
Are you getting bad too? Bad, bro? No. I'm fine. I'm fine. No, I'm fine. 19.
Uy, asan na yung binigay sa'yo?
Tignan nyo.
Di ba may binigay siya sa'yo? Di ba may binigay siya sa'yo?
No. All your quests are complete. Alright.
Di ba may bigay siya sa'yo?
Binalik ko, di ba?
Di ba yung isa?
Alright. Gigiri.
Isel mo kaya yung inventory mo.
Ayun. Ano yan? Seed pack. I'm speaking English because it will be tags if I speak Tagalog.
Napapanood niya?
Bakit ako? Diba?
Nanonood siya? Nanonood siya?
Oh,
Asan siya?
naglalaro siya habang nanonood. Di
Asan
mo.
siya?
Live.
Tingnan.
It's a viewer 1.
Anong account niya sa Facebook?
Palay ko. Pagka ano,
Mag-beg ka.
I need the beanstalk and the normal seed pack. Ano makukuha natin sa peach?
Petch.
I'm using 2 devices. Ano? I think isa cellphone, isa laptop o dalawang cellphone.
Dalawang TV, dalawang TV.
Ano yung tama ko? I-chat mo sa akin kung ano tama ko. Isa cellphone, isang laptop.
O, tablet.
Dalawang... Anong you're right? Dalawang sinabi ko. By the way, do you play Dead Trails? No, not yet. The first ay dalawang... Alright. Isa laptop gamit niya. So, magpa-plant tayo ng... May 30 watering can tayo.
Grabe. Ang
Yeah.
hina ko pa sa ano eh.
Yeah.
May candy blossom
Batak-batak
siya.
natin yan. Bang, 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 bang.
May candy blossom. Ano siya? May candy blossom. Ano yun?
Ata.
May candy blossom tree.
Ata.
Punta,
Oh!
punta mo yung ano niya.
Yo.
Garden niya.
Yo. It's bigger than my ass. Alright, man. Let's play Dead Rails and you vlog it.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Sabi mo.
Okay. Let's go.
Ano ba? Lalaki babae?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Just you and me. Just you and me.
You and me.
We are yourself. Just you and me. Haben and me.
Your wrist,
Quick!
your wrist is bad. You have no wrist.
Oh! Wait. I will ask my sister and cousin.
You have no fucking wrist.
A creep! A fucking creep! Di ba nanonood ka? Sino yung sister? Yung ate mo o si... Ate Yesh.
Huh?
Ate Yesh. Do you want to play Dead Rails? Ate Yesh!
Ate Yesha?
Hindi siya si Hershey.
Ha? Sino mo yan?
Wait lang. Si CR ako.
Ako muna maglalaro.
No. Do you want to play Dead? Wait lang ah. Nanonood ka? Wait lang. Sabi mo sa akin kung pinakailan mo ni Sian to ha.
He ain't going to tell that. Wala siya dito. May CR. Di ba binakailaman? Kitang-kita ko. Alis ka dyan.
Ikaw. Ano? Ako pinsan. Anong ate siya? Ano ako pinsan? Wait! Nakakalito. Sino yung kasama mong kapatid?
Ang alam ko, may sinabi
Di
siya.
ba si ano lang yun? Tama ba? Hershey?
Sino ba yun? Kalaro mo ba sino?
Ang kapatid ni Jacob Velasco.
Sir, she. Crush niya si Ethan?
Come finish this parkour.
Yung crush si Ethan?
Okay.
Sino si Ethan?
Okay. Shh!
Hershey pa talaga. Ethan?
Okay.
Sabi mo, kilala niyo ba si Ethan?
Wink.
Sabi mo,
Oink.
kilala niyo ba si Ethan?
I'm in Mandaluyong, bro. Good luck coming home. Good luck coming home.
Sabi,
I'm in Mandaluyong, bro.
Dino Ethan. So, Hershey,
I'm in Mandaluyong, not Mandaluyong. Mandaluyong, not Mandaluyong.
bandas. Mag-big ka kaya?
Boss. Ngayon ako fruit. Ay, plant. Ngayon ako plant.
Bro, that's not
Nos.
black.
Nos.
A garden. Selfish way.
1 minute na lang. Magbibis warmth na. And magbaback na stock. Ano ginagawa ng Beast Creek?
Wala, bibigyan ko na ng bisto.
Goblets.
Bibigyan ko cosmetic.
What do you mean let's?
Huh?
What do you mean let's? Comment it. What is the meaning of let's?
Let's...
Yuki. Sorry. Dalawa kapatid mo, di ba?
Kapatid ni Jacob.
Seriously.
Sino yung sasabing yes?
Hi. Can I raise you up? Hi. Let's go. How are you? Oh! Let's go.
Bakit? Bakit?
Juliet, you're Romeo.
Juliet and Romeo.
Bro, we're.
What?
What do you mean?
Fall in love again.
What the heck do you mean? Shh. I'm falling too. I'm lost in the darkness and I found you. Bro, what do you mean, bro? Bro, give me money, bro. No. Yuki! Who the heck is Yuki? And kaya pala ang yaman niya. What the
Bakit?
This girl, eto, ang yaman niya.
Bakit?
Tignan mo, 15.7 billion kasi meron siya neto.
Eh, ako din naman.
At
13 billion
a
lang.
simple, oh my God,
Hindi.
this is a Ibigyan ko siya ng ano, B. Ibigyan kita, B. Gusto mo na, B? Bibigyan kita, B. Bibigyan kita, B. Yung, bibigyan kita, B. Ibigyan kita, B. Yo, oh, alright. She accepted.
Sino may candy blossom?
My candy blossom is, Yuki. Do you have any weird pets over here? No!
Sino yung shadow?
Ayun, si Armand Jacob.
Ha?
Do you have any good fruit here? Nothing. Ede. Bibigyan kita ng... Ano ba wala ka? Bibigyan kita B. Bibigyan kita B. Accept it. Accept. Awa. Ano? What? Ang iingay nyo. Wala pang value yan. Giwag. So please don't. Okay. Ano ba yung may value dito? Oh! Wala pang value, ba't inaccept mo? Ayun yung tanong ko, ang galing mo no? Well, it's your choice. It's your choice. Oh, what? Boss. Shadow. Man, bigla ka naglibo. Kinakausap kita. Ayaw mo magsalita. Ha? Hindi lang ikaw ang mababa ang internet. Yeah. Bro, Yuki is my sister. Sinong sister? Sister. Oh. Yuki im. Oh. And Strawberry is my cousin. She's so cute, thank you. Nililito niyo. Nililito niyo ko. Maawa kayo sa akin. Yuki. Maawa. Maawa naman kayo sa akin. Can you give me the honeybee? No! No! Binigay ko na yung honeybee. Bigyan kita ang honeybee. Wala na, I need it. Bigay ko sa'yo isa sa mga honeybee ko. Hoy! Hoy! Or Lance, can I have honeybee? Yeah. I have 7 bees. What? What? And I give the 2 bees in your cousin and sister. And I give the 2 bees in your cousin and sister. Okay. Sakit? Ano, magde-dead race pa ba tayo?
Huwag na. Tama na yun.
Ha? Romeo. Oh, I used to say I will never fall in love again. I'm asking them. Asking them what? Asking them what? Yo! Do you want to join and play the race? Okay. Alright. I want to buy an egg. Oh, gutom na ang mga pets ko. Oh my God. Kailangan ko na sila pakainin. Oh my God. What the? Give me you dance. My baby's dancing. Let's play the drills. Alright. Oh, basic sprinkler. Basic sprinkler. Give it that. Give it that. Oh. Give it that. Nah. Go to sleep. Lance. What? Rookie, what is honeybee for? What? What? Alright. What? Oh, 5%. It pollinated plant, bro. To make honey. Honey. To make honey. Oh. Lance, before we play the drills, come here. Eh. Alright. Where? Alright. Alright. In my garden. Alright. Alright. I'm here. I'm here. Oh my god. Wait. 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 Kung nanonood ka, wait lang. Wait. What? Where are you? Wait lang. Damn. Oh, malapit na agad. What the? Nanonood ka pa rin ba? Yun. Too young to in. Alright. Alright. I'm here. What do you want? I'm freaking here. Wow. Pingi. Pingi ako. Pingi ako. Ow. Siyan? Kuha ka ng tubig. Doon o. Saka. Pull out the master sprinkler. Master Sprinkler? Oh my God! Pati mo sinabi. Min. Ah, damn. 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 Bro, what? Damn you. Damn. Damn you. Damn you. How to have Master Sprinkler go to the gear shop. Go to the gear shop. Go to the gear shop. Bro, Armand Jacob. Buy it in gear shop. Bro. You didn't didn't tell me that. You didn't tell me that. Do not. Before we play, I will do the sprint. Wait, me too. Big now. Selfish ways. I was when I have that change. Di ko. Oh. Ano ba pwede kong dapat kong ano yun? Ito. Siguro, tingin nyo. Raspberry, blood banana, this, okay. What? Oops. Pretty little baby. Ta-da-da. Right. Pretty little baby. Pa, pa, pa. Alright, ito naman. No. What's that? Let's lay now. Alright. Let's play na. Jacob, nanonood ka ba? Comment mo. Just wait me till Rob. Just, 4 million? Not bad. Bro, you didn't freaking tell me. Dragon fruit seed. Oh, Jacob. Oh, nawala siya. Wait. Boss. Boss. Laro na ba? Laro na ba? So, nakita niyo naman, may update na tayo sa Grow a Garden. Hindi ko alam kung isasama ko ba siya sa... Oh, join ka na sa akin. Sige. Hindi... Basta, na gano'n na. Pero, ngayon, ang ikakat ko na lang itong video. Isa sa Grow a Garden at isa sa ano. Kaya, kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. At maglalaro na kami ng Dead Race. Alright. Wait. Right. Yeah. Join na ako. Wait, chill. Wala ka pa nga, oh. Oh. So, today tayo maglalaro ng Dead Race. Saglit na lang.
Tulog ka na saglit.
Ha?
Tapos, tulog ka na.
Yo. Oh, wait. Okay, let's join. Say hi. Say hi. Yo. Hi, stream. Yeah, hi, stream. Pero, end ko muna ba yung live para hindi masyadong... Oh, end ko ba yung live para mag-ano ako ng bago? Oil main. Ano gagawin? Nagagawin. Wow. What the heck? What? Amo? Oh, Hindi mo alam? Siyempre, bago lang ako dito. I'm new. Remember? I'm new, remember, ha? Yung Spider-Man Black. Sundan mo ako. Wow! I see a lightning rod. Drop. Drag. Alright. Ano na? Oh, may pera na tayo. Go be right there. Do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Oh, not enough money. This is a This is a freaking view cool, man. What? Put your coal in a sack and refuel that. Okay. Oh, sack. Store. Yo! Ubus na money mo. Use your shovel. Hampas sa zone. Okay. Wait. What the? Store, man. Fuck. Store. Alright. Cheerleader. He is always right there when I need it. What the? Eh. Let's go. Okay. Ba't walang ano? Kasi ba talaga yun? Let's go. What? When I need you, do you think I'm pretty? Let's go, man. Para saan yan? Para saan yan? Para saan yan? What the heck? Drag. Ano ba ito? Tara na. Do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Put the call on the shop and store. Drop some bandage, bro. Okay. Bro, kunin mo to. Drop. Kuha mo pa? Bro. Here. Let's go. GG. Where's the bandage? Drop it. I drop it. In front of you. In front of you. In front of you. Wow. Now, what is that? You see some cool stuff, bro. Stop. You. Stop right there. Yeah. Oh. It's night. Oh my god. It's bad. Hmm? Oh. Oh. Store. Oh. Hey. Let's go. Go. Hehe. Hehe. Uy. 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 Oh. My god. Let's go. Let's go, man. Go. What the? What the? Right. You drive. What the? Wah! Oh, yo. 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 Di ako makatok. Heal yourself. What? Oh! Heal. Hold. Using snake oil. Munti ka na. Okay. Muntik na yung bandage. Muntik na yung bandage. Drive. Alright. Oh, we're running. What a shashi. Wow. Oh! Oh! Do you need me? Do you think I'm pretty? Hey! Saan ka? Oh! Then what's that? Alright, I'll be here.
Where's the...
12:33.
Huh?
12:33. Alright. Store. Hey! Hey! You scare me, man. Wow! Ang galing niya. Wow. Oh, store. 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 Oh. Ang bilis. Ang bilis mo. The heck is that? It's us. Oh. Store. Store. Yeah. Choo. Oh, so, hindi ka na nagsasalita. Jump! Jake, jump! Jump, man. Oh! I didn't see that, man. Ang busy mga patay. Oh, yeah. What's that? It's blood. Poor. Change axis. Bro. Tungko. Ang bilis mo. Ang bilis mo. What the? Is that a village? Alright, let's go. Ano sinabi niya? No! I want to see my health, man. I want to see my health. Hehe. Okay. Bro. I want to see my freaking health, man. So I know when I need to back up. Oh! How? Boom. Hi. Whoa, 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 wow, wow, wow. Bro. Self-revive. No. Bro. Bro. Ada, bro. Ada, bro. Die, bro. Ada, bro. Ada, bro. What? Ada, bro. Ada, bro. Ada, bro. Bro. Ada, bro. 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 What happened to you, bro? Bro, I'm here, bro. Yo, bro. I suffer, bro. Ooh. Oh. You scared me. Bro. Where are you? When do I need to run? Good, bro. It's so freaking fast. Bro. Woo! Ah! Bro. 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 Let's wait until it's raining. Bro, someone just hit me. What is that, cowboy? Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. What's this? Store. 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 Bro. Store. 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 Where the heck are you? Bro. I'm going inside, bro. Yeah. This is... Bro. Where? No, no, no. Are you here? Fire. Oh, what are you doing? What? What? Yo. Bro. It's been 1 hour, man. The break. Oh. Bro! Drive it, man. Drive ka na. CCR. Mag-CCR lang ako, guys. Alright. Ano na? Ano na? Okay ka na? Huh? Where's... Oh. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. I should see. Alright. Oh, alright. Jump. No. Sorry, kami nakakahita. Bala na, dito na ako. Oh! What if not? What if not? Don't take anything. I'm not taking anything. This coupling. Let's kill this with this. No. No. What's it here? Okay, 75, man. I don't have money. How to have money, man? Here we go. Not enough money. Whoa. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Now we can buy something. Now we can buy. Yeah, give me that. Pick it up, man. Yeah. Rifle, yeah. Oh, no. No, no. Yeah, do that. Correct, let's go. These two, alright. Okay. Check here. Let's go. Please out here to clean bounty. Ito? It's a vampire, man. Tama? Tama ba ako? Buy some ammo. Yeah. I buy a rifle. Rifle. Ay, hindi. I buy rifle. Rifle. No? Dito, nabibenta yun. Nabibenta? What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh! General store. Oh, okay. Saddle. What's this? Cannonballs. Motor truck. this, this, yeah, this, yeah, this, yeah. 35. The heck is this? But it's what's that? What's that? What's that? Got a rifle, man. Ah, yeah. More. I need freaking more. I need freaking more rifle. Oh, yo. Let's go. Let's go. My baby's dancing. Okay. Get out of here. Buy some coal, bro. Okay. I'm gonna buy some coal, bro. Even a coal need to buy. Not enough. Not enough money, bro. I ran out, bro. Pag nag 10% ako, bukas na lang ako. Ha? So, naka-live pa rin tayo. Oh my god. Not enough money, bro. This is... whoa! Enough money, bro. Store. 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 Wow. What the? Okay na. Alright. Unahan natin siya. Yeah, I see that. I see that. Going na. Go. Hindi. What the heck is that? Yeah. Pick up, bro. Oh. What's this? Collect. Then what is this? Okay, let's go. Store. Bro. The heck are you? Wow. Yo. Store. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Oh. Yo. No. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go. Ano na? Bro. 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 Seriously. Bro. You kidding me? Are you kidding me, man? You kidding me? Kidding me? You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Bro. Are you freaking kidding me? Emergency, guys. No. Imagine that. See, guys. I'm also gonna laugh. Oh! Kala ko napatay siya talaga. Oh my god. Worst nightmare. Dito lang ako sa... Bro. Bro. Bro.
Puyat ka?
Do you think?
Ha?
Doon na, nanood ka na doon. Bro. $12.56. Bro. A dad? Yeah. Yeah, an oven. You stupid, huh? Sto. 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 Let's go. Sto. Wait lang ah. Snake oil, bandage, shovel, model, and... Where's my rifle? I can't find my rifle. Yeah. Let's go. Right. I drive now. Stay there, baka lumipad ka. What the heck is that? Pag tumalo ka, tatalon din ako ah. Tanda mo. Baka nasa inventory mo yung rifle. Oh yeah. Wait a second. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah. Do I need to stop? Stop, 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 stop. Man, I see. Bro, you don't have a chance. Wait, hayaan mo muna ako makapatay. Hayaan mo muna ako makapatay. Hayaan mo muna ako makapatay. Please. I beg you. Bro. Patay tayo ng ano. Kuha tayo horse. Arman. Kuha tayo horse. Kuha kaya tayong horse. Okay. Ano? Kuha tayo horse. Uy! Let's go. Bro. Alright. What's this? Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Reload. Reload, man. No, that's all. Fuck you. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, no. Sorry. What? Where? Maybe, man. Maybe. Alright. Alright, W. Oh. Masyado maingay. Alright. Oh, oh. Whoa, 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 back, whoa, back, whoa, back, whoa, back. Stick oil. Forget. Forget, man. Man. I should baka nasa inventory meron ko. Di. I die. I die. Die. I die, bro. Died. I died, bro. Nandun siya sa likod. Nandun siya pala. We need to be chill. Kuha na nga tubig. What the, bro? Bro, where are you? Chat, man. Bro! Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Oh my god. That's so delightful. Yun. Yun.
Tak, 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 tak. Tak, 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 tak. Tak, tak.
Boom. Aerial. Pick up. This. No. Don't need any. Whoa. Pick up. Suck. Wow. Marf. Bro. Don't die, man. You're my only hope, man. Oh. Let's go, bro. Bro, where? What you doing? Oh, kaya pala siya nandito. Okay. Alright. So full. Alright. Store. 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 Bro, come to the bank. Oh, that's why. Wait. Where the hell is the bank? Oh. So, what the? Store. 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 This is my gift for you. Ah! It's bonds. Let's go. Bonds. Bonds. Collection. Ano yun? Store. Full. My sack is full. I have to say goodbye, bro. Okay. Bye. Bukas na lang. Bye-bye, my friend. Okay. And how can I pick up, pick up, pick up? Vampire knife. Pick up, pick up, collect. Alright. Kaya, sorry kung na-late kasi may ginawa pa ako. Kaya, kung nagustuhan yung video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring nyo na rin ang bell button para lagi kayo updated sa mga panibagong ko video. See ya. And, sa comment section lang ang akin name sa YouTube. Bye-bye.